Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn how we can get the creation time, modification time, and the last time we access the file. Right? So this is a part of the metadata of a file. So I have this abc.txt in my base location wherein this Python file is, and the name of this Python file is getmetadata.py. Right? To get the creation time, what we can do? We can use the OS methods getCTime. For modification time, we can use getMTime, and the last time you access the file, if you want to know, it is getATime. So let's start it. So I'll take a variable creation time. To get this time, what I can do, os.path.get ctime, right? And then I need to provide the file path, which is my file name, right? Similarly, I can do this for modification time and the last access time. So I'll change this to modification, and let's do the same for last access time, right? And change the method to get m and get a. For creation it is c time, for modification it is m time, and for the last access time it is get a time, right? Now if I print these times, creation time, modification time, and last access time, if you access this, you see this has been written. These are nothing but the actual epoch time, right? So to convert this in human readable format, we can create a function. For that, we can import the time module. So I have imported the time module here. So let's create a function and we will convert this time period to the human readable time, right? So let's do it. So I'll give a name epoch to time, right? And it will take argument. It will take an argument as epoch, right? Now what we can do, let's create a time object and then call time dot local time, and inside it we will provide epoch, right? So you will get the epoch time object converted to local time object. Now this local time object needs to be converted to human readable format, so we will do the string formatting with the time. So what we can do, let's take another variable human readable time, right? Now let's format it using strf time, right? Now we can provide the year, then we need month, then we need day separated by space, and then hour separated by colon, minute, and then seconds. This needs to be applied on the time object, right? Now return the human readable form, human readable time, right? So this function now can convert epoch time to human readable time, which is the local time, you can say. So let's print it. So I'll say, let's take a f string and I'll say creation time is, and inside it we can call this epoch time, right? Epoch time for creation time, right? Similarly we can do for modification and last access time. Control V, instead of creation time it should be modification time, right? Modification time here, and then we need to change the modification time here, and then last time access of file, right? Instead of creation time, we can write it as last access time, correct? Let's run this. Now you can see the creation time for this file was 2023-11 to 2nd of November 2023, and time was 16:35:49. Similarly, the modification time was 10:48:13, and then the last time we accessed this was 11:34. So this is how you can get the creation time, modification time, and the last time you access this file time, right? If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.